Hi, good morning to everyone. Myself is Vijay Lakshmi, Department of Mechanical from BGMIT Mudod. Today we are conducting the experiment in a FEM lab. Experiment number 14, convection and conduction of a heat transfer. Eh, Our aim is to determine the nodal temperature for the composite wall shown in a figure. Here the two types of a heat transfer, convection and conduction, both are there. The H is given, it's a convection temperature, it's a coefficient of heat transfer 20, and here initial temperature is a 800 degrees Celsius, final temperature is a 20 degrees Celsius. Here the three elements, K1, K2, K3. Here the values are there. We will solve this problem in a answers. Double click on answers. Preference, student, sorry, thermal, okay, preprocessor, element type, add, here link. Here the 2D conduction also there and convection also there. Now first I am entering the link of a conduction, apply. Second one, convection, apply, click close, close. Real constant, add, delete, add. For area we are giving for both the link 1 and 2, it's a 1, so I am putting 1 here. Close. Material properties, material model. First one is a convection heat transfer, so I am taking a material number 1, convection. I am putting a HF value here, it's a 25. Apply. Material model 2, okay, it's a conductive heat transfer, isentropic. K. First K1 value is 20. Apply. Then new material model, third one. It's also conductive heat transfer. K2 30. Next. It's also conduction of heat transfer. It's a 50. K3 value 50. Now I am going to create a model. Here 5 nodes will come. 4 elements are come. Modeling, create, node, inactive CS, first one. First first node coordinator is 0 0, apply. Second one is a convection heat transfer element, this is 0 0.1, I am taking as 0 0.1, apply. Third one, I am adding a 0.3, 0.1 plus 0.3, 0 0.4 for the fourth one. 0 0.4 plus 1.5, 0 0.15, it's a 0 0.55. For a fifth coordinator, 0.55, 0.15 meter, 0.7 meter. Okay. Creating a element attributes. First material we have put the convection convection heat transfer. So I am taking a link 34. Here the material number 1. We have given HF in a material number 1. Okay. Auto numbered through node 1 to 2. It's a different element because it's a convection of heat transfer. Going for 32, all remaining elements are a conduction heat transfer. I am putting a link 32 here. Element type number, material number, I am taking a 2. I given different temperature in a material models through a node 2 to 3. Again 3, material model 3 to 4. Again I am changing this one 4 through a node 4 to 5. Okay. Now I am applying the low temperatures in the initial and final temperatures. Load, define a load, apply a load, thermal, temperature on a node, node number 1. Okay. Temperature here 800 degrees Celsius. Apply. Selecting a for node number 5. Okay. Temperature it's 20 degrees Celsius of final temperature. Now I am going to solve my problem. Solution is done. General prospectors, least result, uh, nodal solution, DOF solution, nodal temperature. Okay. Here the nodal temperature, node 1 is 800 degrees Celsius, node 2 304.75 and 319 degrees Celsius, 4 57 degrees Celsius, the 5 20 degrees Celsius. You just compare with your analytical method calculation and these values, it will be same. Thank you.